Welcome to the Blue Star Higher Secondary School, Class 6 subject Social Science. Children, today we are going to see in Social and Political Life, Chapter 2, the Diversity and Discrimination. The topics are Difference and Prejudice, Creating Stereotype, Inequality and Discrimination, on being discriminated against, striving for equality. These are the topics that we are going to cover in this lesson. Let me move to the first topic, difference and prejudice. You can see in this picture, everyone are different. If you see around us, all will be different. Generally, those who are different from us, we will laugh at them and we will also hurt them. It makes them very sad. Nowadays, we have been grown up, so we won't do like this. When we are in small kids, we will do without unknowingly. These are the some differences. The difference which comes from what we eat, what we speak, and what we celebrate, and what we wear. This will differ from one person to another person. In point of view, those who are close to you, you will combine with them because they have similar character like you. This is a similar difference. For example, if you are a Tamil people, you are working in Mumbai. Take an example. There are two people, those who are working in Mumbai, they are Tamil peoples. If they will combine with you very closely because you also Tamil people, the two peoples they are also the Tamil people. So the person who are similar to us, they will combine. If you are, now we are going to see about the differences. If you are a Tamil people, another people is different from you. That person won't talk Tamil. You won't accept them because it takes time to understand them. It shows your attitude and opinion. That means it shows your prejudice. Here, some statements about the India. India is a big country. The 8 major religions are followed in India. 1,600 languages are spoken in India. 100 dances forms are there. There are many differences in India. Now we are going to see about the topic is prejudice. Judge other people negatively and see them as a inferior. When we see the people, we will talk negatively about them and we will think about them very low. That is known as prejudice. Let's give an example. And a village people won't be educated, they won't be knowledge. So the peoples in cities, what they will think, they are village people. They don't have knowledge. So they have the knowledge, but they have the less knowledge. So we should not do like this. We should never talk negatively about them. We should not make them as a low. The city's people care money minded people. They always have money. They will always work 24 hours, and they won't spend for children. They won't spend for the children, families. They will always they won't spend time for the children and the families. And their best example is the English language is the important in our world. But some people will tease us. Even English you can't speak, they will treat us. They will tease us. Even you can't speak in English. So that is known as prejudice. Even they make colors of the skins, the religions, even the friendship, it will come, the prejudice. Then physical appearance. The next topic we are going to move to the creating the stereotype. This is the picture of creating the stereotype. Here telling about the gender difference, boys and girls. When boy is small age, the boy will fall down, and sometime it will get hurt. They will cry, but in their house what they will tell, you are a boy, you should never cry. If you cry, it will shows your weakness. So என்ன நம்ம அடிச்சாலும் boys won't cry because they won't show the weakness. So they tell us the boy should never cry. The girls, when come to the girls should be very soft and gentle. The qualities which comes from the birth itself. This is the way the boys and the girls should be behave. You can see in second picture is physically challenged people. Physically disabled people. They cannot do the work sometimes. And we should not think they don't have any talents. But nowadays, the physically challenged people only, disabled people only have all the talents. They can dance, even they can sing. Without eyes, they will sing. They will write it. This and all has been done by the physically disabled people. The word the disabled has been taken and they given the name by the government is the special needs for the children. They need a special care to explore their ideas and the talents. This is about the creating the stereotype. Next topic we are going to see about inequality and discrimination. This inequality, prejudice and the stereotype will come. Discrimination is nothing but they do not give a job and they won't give a place to live. They won't leave them for the water also, to drink the water. That is known as a discrimination. The main aim is even the schools, college, office, there should not be any discrimination. There should not be even a rich and poor. The caste also, the discrimination will become. Some people will always affect due to this discrimination. For example, chapter one, we have seen the story of Samir Ek and Samir Do. One is Muslim and another one is Hindu. One boy is educated and another boy is not educated. You have seen in that lesson. That boy have known everything. Another boy do not know everything in this world. So some discrimination has been done here. So we should not discriminate the person. Here the Muslim girls and the children, they won't send to study the education, send to the school. They won't trust the women education. In survival, we have seen that the reason is what? Because they are in poverty. In Kerala, the schools are near. The bus facilities has been given. 60% of teachers are women. So, they can easily go to the school. What will be the reason is, it means due to the poverty only we are not going to the school. It is not based on the religious background. For that we are not going to school. That is not a reason they are telling. Due to the poverty only we are not going for the school. Next we are going to see about stereotype. Is nothing but fixing one image we are create. When we see the person, we will see in one image only. இவங்க வந்து ரொம்ப கஞ்சம் சொல்லுவாங்கல்ல, நீங்க கேள்விப்பட்டிருக்கீங்களா? When they are seeing like this, they will tell these words. Okay, they are very lazy. That person is very lazy. Whenever seeing that, they fix one image. That is known as stereotype. The assignment is arrange the statement given below in this section. The girls and the boys is there. You refer the page number 15. What is prejudice? What is stereotypes? You write this 2 question answer in your rough note. I have taught it in this video. Thank you, children.